Okay, next we'll go through looking back in time on a chart, and I might just zoom in one level and move this chart back to a 4-hour chart. Okay, so if you want to look back in time on the chart, first of all you need to come up to the top here and deselect this button just here. Just left click on it so it's not selected, and then scroll your mouse wheel towards you and you'll be looking back in time on the chart. Okay, if you want to go back to the current time, you can just scroll the mouse wheel towards your screen, or just come back up to the top, left click on this button and reselect, and that will immediately take you back to the current time. Okay, so that's how you can look back in time on a chart.